Overthinking does not enter your life like a storm. It enters quietly. A small worry, a small fear, a single negative thought. And before you realize it, your minds become a prison. You keep replaying conversation, replaying mistakes, imagining problems that have not even happened yet. Your body is sitting in one place, but mentally you are fighting hundreds of battles at once. And the most dangerous part, most of those battles are not even real. Overthinking creates pain before pain even arrives. You suffer in advance. You fear rejection before trying. You fear failure before starting. You fear judgment before speaking. And slowly, your minds become addicted to worry. Not peace, not growth, not action. Worry. Overthinking is the art of creating problems that don't exist. Look around carefully. So many people are not stuck because they lack talent. They are stuck because they think too much and act too little. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect confidence, and the perfect never come. Life moves forward with action, not endless thinking. And the sad truth is, overthinking slowly destroys your confidence because when you constantly question yourself, you stop trusting your own decision. You start doubting everything. Am I good enough? What if I fail? What if people laugh at me? What if things goes wrong? And while your mind keeps asking your question, your dreams keep waiting. A confused mind will always fear the step that could change everything. Understand this carefully. Your mind is supposed to guide you, not torture you. But overthinking turns your own thought against you. You stop enjoying the present moment because your mind is always trapped somewhere else, either regretting the past or fearing the future. And because of that, you miss life happening right in front of you. You smile less, you sleep less peacefully, you enjoy less deeply. Because peace cannot survive inside a constantly noisy mind. Overthinking also creates fear out of uncertainty. But uncertainty is a normal part of life. Nobody knows exactly what will happen tomorrow. Even the strongest people feel confused sometimes. The difference is, strong people don't let fear stop them from moving forward. They take action despite uncertainty. Because they understand one powerful truth. Clarity comes after action, not before it. The more you overthink, the weaker your courage becomes. Think about this for a second. How many opportunities have people lost because they waited too long? How many relationships ended because of assumption? How many dreams disappeared because fear becomes stronger than belief? Overthinking does not protect your life, it steals your life slowly. And social media has made it even worse. People compare their journey with everyone else. Someone is richer, someone is more successful, someone looks happier, and suddenly they feel behind in life. But what they don't see is this. Every person is fighting battles privately. Nobody posts their fear. Nobody posts their sleepless night, emotion, mental struggle. Comparison fuels overthinking and overthinking destroys peace. Another dangerous thing about overthinking is mental exhaustion. Your body may be resting, but your brain never stops running. Late at night, when everybody becomes quiet and your thought becomes louder, you replay old memories, you imagine worst case scenarios, you create stress from situations you cannot even control, and eventually, your own mind becomes the reason for your exhaustion. That is why some people feel tired all the time, even without doing much physically, because mental pressure can break a person silently. Listen it carefully. You do not need to solve your entire future today. You only need to take the next step. That's it. Life becomes easier when you stop trying to control every outcome. Because not overthinking is in your hand. You can't control every situation. You can't control every opinion. You can't control every result. But you can control your effort, your mindset, your discipline, your response, and that's enough. Peace begins the moment you stop trying to control everything. If you want to escape overthink, start taking action faster. Action weakens fear. The longer you wait, the bigger fear becomes inside your head. Speak even when your voice shakes. Start even when you feel unprepared. Move forward even when you are uncertain. Because confidence is built by moment, not by endless thinking. And remember this, mistakes are part of growth. You are not supposed to have every answer right now. Nobody does. Some lessons only appear through experience. Some opportunities only come after risk. Some breakthroughs only happens after failure. So stop expecting yourself to be perfect. Perfection is impossible. Progress is what changes life. Overthinking keeps you trapped in fear while action creates freedom. At the end of the day, your mind should be your home, not your battlefield. You deserve peace and clarity. You deserve moments when your heart feels light. But peace only comes when you learn to let go out uncertainty, mental noise. One day you will realize something important. Most of the things you worried about never actually happened. And all those sleepless nights, all those fearful thoughts, all the stress only stole precious moments from your life. Your life begins to change the moment you stop fighting imaginary battles inside your mind. So breathe deeply, slow down your thoughts, trust yourself more. Because life was never meant to be lived inside fear. It was meant to be lived with courage, action, and peace. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.